This is the greatest thing I found with using Canva and their new layer overlapping type of. Oops, I'm gonna go ahead and go back over here. Their layering system. As you see here, I have these. Let's go ahead and scroll in. I have these junk journal type folders, envelopes, pockets, all kinds of stuff here. But what I want to do is I want to create a Canva frame so that way I can do my own designs and as well as share these with you guys in my premium newsletter membership. So let's go ahead and go back over here. As you can see, I am in the layers and I just went to position and then the layer showed up. And then I want to click on the image. I'm going to delete the image to create the frame. Same thing for this. I'm going to delete the image and let's go back to position, go back to that image, click and hold, and just hit the delete button, and the image is gone. Now, let's say I want to add a photo. Just for fun, curiosity sake, we're going to do flowers. And I'm going to find something enjoyable. I can put this on here. Whoops. Drag and drop on the frame. There we are. Drag and drop on the frame. There we are. And drag and drop on the frame. And there you have it. Just simple, easy Canva templates, Canva frame templates created. I hope you enjoy these. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing how we can use the new layer feature in Canva. And until next time, I look forward to talking to you very soon.